Hello, welcome to my YouTube channel. I'm still your nurse musician, Ngozi Waski. If you have not subscribed, click the subscribe button. Have you rested today? Do you know rest is very important to you? Yes, it is very, very important. In anything you do, observe some rest. No matter the type of job you do, you need rest. Rest can do so many good things to the body. It can rejuvenate you. Rest can you rejuvenate you. You feel young, feel healthy, feel fresh, feel active, feel stronger, feel good. Anything you do, observe some rest. Take a break before you break down. Because if you fail to take a break and have some rest, you will break down. That is the way it goes. That is the way it works. So I want you to learn how to observe some rest. 1 hour siesta in a day is good for you. It's good for the mental well-being. It's good for the body. It will make you to be more active, more intelligent, more articulate. Yes, you need the rest. Even in health, in working sectors, they mapped out 1 month or rather 30 days working days annual leave. Yes, because they know as a worker, you work from January to December, you need some rest in between so that you will be balanced. You need to observe some rest so that you will be more effective at work, more productive at work. Yes, if you don't observe some rest, you will tend to be less active. Let's learn to observe some rest. We need it. It's good for the well-being of every one of us. If you have not rested today, go and do that. I had a hectic day at work. I did this one. I had a very bad day. The solution, number one solution, is to observe some rest. Go and relax yourself. Calm down. It may even be because of the stress you have already that you were able to have the hectic day, that you observed the stress or you had the bad day you had because you didn't observe the rest we're talking about. Learn to observe some rest. It could help you in so many angles. Your well-being, your mental well-being, physical well-being, spiritual well-being, and otherwise. Yes, you need some rest in everything you do. No wonder he said, soldier come, soldier go, barrack remains the same. Don't think if you are not there, you won't be replaced. No, who told you that? So many people are even waiting for opportunities for people to leave, for them to occupy the space. And you don't know you have to work hard. Observe some rest in order to maintain your space, in order to move higher. Yes, you may be thinking, I need to achieve this, achieve that, do this, do that, read this, read that. If you are not in a good mental state, you cannot achieve that. And how do you go into a good mental state? By observing some rest when need be. There's a difference between having rest and being lazy. I'm not talking about laziness here. Before you think we're on the same page. No. I'm not talking about you being lazy. Go out there, walk. But as you walk, observe some rest. You need it. Observe some rest. You need it. If you don't do this, if you don't do that, that thing will not be done. Who told you? It will be done. If you're not there, another person queues up. Another person comes in to do the same work, the same job. Yes. Why don't you observe some rest? In order to function properly, in order to function better. I care about your well-being. That's why I talk about this. All work and no play makes Jack a dull boy. Yes. In as much as you work day, afternoon, day, noon, and night, you have to map up time for your rest. It's very, very important. It's very, very important. Observe some rest all the time. Don't think there is no time for rest. When something happens to you now, you must definitely find out time to rest. If you are sick, you must have to rest because you will go to the hospital. You will be on bed, receive treatment. At that period, you will be forced to observe some rest because you've already broken down. But on your own, you can just take 1 hour siesta or 1 hour rest or 30 minutes rest in a day and still continue your normal activities. But if you fail to do that, you break down and you'll be forced to rest. And it's because of lack of rest that some people are forced to rest in peace. Oh yes, some people die because of lack of rest. They will be forced to go and rest in peace eternally. But that is not good. It's not our plan. It's not our portion. Oh yes, it's not our portion. You are making the same mistake. You work from morning till night without resting. Even in the night, some will keep working. You want to get things done. You want to do that. You want to do this. Without observing some rest. If anything happens to you, that thing you have been planning on, you've been working on, will become rubbish to you. And you find out that there are so many thousands of others that are waiting for same opportunity. Highest thing that will be done for you is 1 minute silence. If we're saying a minute silence, I will not even understand it. Just 1 minute, 60 seconds. Yes. Is what that will be. Some don't even say up to 60 seconds. And that is the end of that person. If you know all this, why won't you observe some rest and take good care of yourself? It is very important and it will be beneficial to you. I'm your great nurse musician, Ngozi Waski. Follow me for more. I'm always there for you. For your health talk, for your health education, all nursing services. You contact me. Your general well-being is my concern. If you've not subscribed to my YouTube channel, click the subscribe button. See ya! Make sure you rest. Observe some